In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money online within 24 hours. So the first method is to sell an affiliate product through Facebook. It means that each time someone buys the product through your link, you'll get money for it. To do that, open first Facebook and enter as many online business Facebook groups as possible. So you go on Facebook and type make money online and enter all these groups that you see. Make sure that the groups have many members, around 20k members would be good, because otherwise there are not enough people to see your posts. So after you've done that, you go to clickbank.com and click on affiliate marketplace. So when you're here, you create an account, and after you go and choose your category. For me it's e-business or online business. I chose this category. So you just go over the products and choose the best one for you. So when you found your ideal product, click on promote, and then you can just copy the link, your promotion link. It's unique, and if someone clicks on it and buys the product from your link, you'll get a part of the profit. The next thing that you have to do is to create a Facebook post, and I will show you how I did it with my own product. When I created the YouTube course, which is called the 2packs course, I first promoted my 2packs course through Facebook. This was completely for free and I could reach so many people through that. So this method definitely works if your product is good. So if you want to check out my 2packs course, you can go to the description, click on the link and watch a free presentation. So let me show you my Facebook post that I did back then. So first you have to create a picture to get the interest of the people immediately. And I did it by choosing a really catchy background color. I tested many colors and for me, yellow worked the best. And then I showed a screenshot of my monthly earnings back then. And when people see money, they usually stay and look what it's about. So after they see this picture, they go to the description and look what it's all about. And also my description is not a coincidence. All the words are carefully chosen. The first sentence is, everyone is using YouTube, but only few actually earn money with it. This sentence is there to make your post interesting. Not only the text, but also the emojis are there to get the attention of the person and make them stay on your post. The next sentences will tell what it's all about. It's about making money on YouTube without creating own videos. After you tell the person to comment under the post so that you can contact this person. And in this way, you will find out who's actually interested in your post. You should really take time for your post, because most people that want to promote their products just post their link and write get rich fast. But of course, this won't work. Your post has to look better than the others. So after posting it, wait a couple of hours until people comment under the post, and then you will contact this person and send him the link to the product you promote. So here I show you an example of how a chat could look like. He wanted to know how it's working, and I texted him, hey, thanks for your interest. Not everyone can participate, so that's why I have to ask you if you'd be willing to do some work for it, because it's not a get rich overnight method, but a long-term business. And you have to tell this to people just to be honest to them and not to make them think that they will get rich overnight or be super successful with your course, because they have to know that it's hard work that they have to put, and this course won't automatically make them successful. So this person replied that he works on YouTube already and he knows that it's not a get rich overnight thing. So then I replied, yeah, very good, you got it, make a compliment or something like this, and then you can send him the link. In my case, it's the free presentation. If you go to my link of the course, you will get the free presentation where I tell what a course is all about, and then you can decide whether you want to purchase my product or not. Method number 2 is called man in the middle, and this method is about selling a product more expensive to a third person So you're the man in the middle that buys a product from someone and sells it to another one for more money, and you get the profit out of it. And you can do that by going to Fiverr. Here you can look for services that people offer you for cheap money. Let's say we look for something like flyer. So here you see so many offers of people selling their services to you, and you can choose a product, click on it and sell this product for someone else on pages like Craigslist, for example, or eBay for twice the price and get 50% of it. You cannot just do it with flyers, you can do it with anything. There are so many services that you can just sell on other pages for more money. It's super simple. You just go on Craigslist or eBay, create a post, and when people click on your post and contact you, you just go and contact this person, buy the product from him, and sell the service to the other person. Method number 3 is about selling affiliate products through Instagram. And you do it again by finding an affiliate product and make a page all about this product. In my case, it's again the 2-packs course. You do the same. You just take your affiliate link, put it in your bio, and create a nice page. What you do next is to search for pages that have similar content as your product. So let's search for something like online. This one's good. Online business success. You see that this page has 15k followers, and most people that follow this page are interested in online business. You click on their followers and follow all these people, as many as you can. You just click. They will check out your page and see your link. And when they see your link, people will definitely click on your link, and some of them will buy your product if it's good. We did the same when we started out, so you can also try out this method. It worked for us, so it will most likely also work for you. So that's it. These are my 3 methods how to earn money within 24 hours. They will work if you have a good product. Try them out. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a like, comment under the video, and see you in the next video.